x equals sine of t, y is 1 minus cos of t, and t is between 0 and 2 pi. Okay, so we want to exploit the relationship between sine and cos that says cos squared plus sine squared equals 1 to find the relationship between x and y. Okay, so we have x squared is sine squared of t, and then if we take this cos over to the left hand side and the y over to the right hand side, we can write cos of t is 1 minus y. But if we square that, we have cos squared of t is the square of 1 minus y. And so now let's add cos squared and sine squared. So here we have then 1 minus y squared plus x squared is equal to 1. And so we can recognize this as a circle of radius 1. Let's write that in the standard form. So x minus 0 squared plus, now since we're squaring this, I can write this as y minus 1 squared, because minus 1 squared is 1. So there's the circle in the standard form. So this has radius 1 and center the point 0, 1. Okay, so that should make this easy to sketch. So let's find our center. Let's put it here, 0, 1. Okay, and it has radius 1. So something like this. Okay, now where do we start? We start when t is 0, and so that's at the point x equals 0, y equals 0. So we start here at the origin, but cos and sine are periodic functions of period 2 pi. So we also finish at the same place. So now the question is, how do we determine which way this is? Is it counterclockwise or is it clockwise? And so to determine that, if we just fix the point 0, 0 and look at the derivative, what's going on with x dash, what's going on with y dash. So x dash as a function of t is cos of t. So x dash of 0 is cos of 0, which is 1. And that's positive. So that says it's going left to right at 0, 0. Now the y should be increasing as well at that point. So y dash of t is the derivative of 1 minus cos of t. So the derivative of cos of t is minus sine of t. So we have minus minus sine of t, which is sine of t. And so y dash of 0 is sine of 0, which is 0. Now I said that was supposed to be positive, but it's positive. You're slightly on this side of it. It's exactly 0 at this point. Okay, and so from this we determine that it's going counterclockwise, mainly from this one.